All right. Good morning, everybody. How's everyone doing today? We're back at it live on YouTube. Let me know if you guys can hear me okay. So, the market is, because it is Christmas Eve, the market closes early today. So it's obviously half day. So activity is going to be very, very limited. So definitely going to be very limited activity today. So not a whole lot of volume coming in, but we still expect to, capture some move here, capture some pips points, all the kit and caboodle. So as always, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask. So obviously we're going to be trading today. Markets closed tomorrow for Christmas Day, and then obviously we'll resume on Friday. I'll be back to trading live on Friday, and yeah. So please make sure you guys hit the like button. As always, what's up, Gary? James, good morning. Keith, good morning. Fab4, good morning. Wayne Browning. So got about 15 minutes till the market opens. What's up, Barry? Ugh. What's gold doing right now? I always like to look at gold. Gold is kind of choppy. They said my main watch today is gonna be US30 NAS100. I'm basically gonna look for both these. Basically sell off here. Kind of have some fade off to the downside. Yesterday we had nice, man. US30 took off. US30 took off running really nice yesterday. And then basically the same with man, NAS100 took off running nice, but then she pulled all the way back down to the lows and then pushed up and then took off running, grinded all day. So we're definitely gonna be watching, like I said, US30 here at the market open, NAS100 here at the market open. NAS is already pulling back here on us, so kind of don't want to see it pull back too much. Same thing with the US30 because we won't be able to jump in this and write it down. So if you guys don't feel comfortable trading, then don't trade. Obviously take smaller size, protect your capital. So yeah, yesterday was a very good day. Made good money yesterday with the signal. US30 NAS100. So if you guys are interested in the signals group, the link is somewhere below this video. Come join the VIP signals group. Basically, I tell everybody every day where I'm looking to buy and sell NAS100 every single day, the exact entry point, followed by the areas of take profit, and then obviously Forex pairs. So again, don't expect too much with the market today. I mean, we do have these basically lows here. Basically to see, you know, we have this wick here. Oops. That's not what I wanted. Basically this wick right here. I'd like to see it. So, I mean, that's, you know, 50 point plus move. Usually you should be able to make a nice little sell off here. And basically the same with NAS100. So, again, I don't expect a lot of people to be trading today, the market, you know. So, because again, it is Christmas Eve. So, a lot of people are traveling. A lot of people are traveling and doing things with their family. So, man, fucking US30 NAS100 actually pulling back a lot here already. I don't want to see it keep pulling. I don't want to see it keep pulling back though. Need to just be patient here. I don't want to jump again too quick yet. At least I don't like to get into a trade to like, you know, it's like a minute or two from the market open. So I don't want to jump in right now. It's a little too early to jump in anything here. I've been subscribed. Might have to sign back out. I don't know why I won't let you chat. So yeah, I don't know why it's not gonna let. I don't know why it's not letting you chat. But focus for. Let's see. No, how long can you do this? Oh, you can do that for an hour. I didn't know you could do that. Huh. Settings. Hmm. All right. Let's see here. So we want to go to. Listen, I do. Man, that's one that's pulling back already a lot. I don't want to see this. So do not. Yeah, it's really pulling back. Again, I don't think it's gonna be like it's crazy as the movies we had yesterday. You know. No, what the fuck? This is supposed to be notified. Mm, I think these. There you go. That should work. All right. All right. So NAS100, putting the signal out. Here we go. So NAS100, looking at selling. Putting the signal out in the Telegram group. And then follow areas of take profit. NAS100. Like I said, I don't expect crazy action today. I'm gonna take what the market gives me. But man, NAS100 is already basically trying to pull back here. What the fuck? I muted this shit, but it's still going off on me. NAS100 already hit our signal alert, and she is kind of selling off here already. Next area of take profit, looking. So we're having a nice sell off here on NAS100. That's basically what we want. So I don't, like I said, don't expect to be too crazy today. Let's go to US30. About 4 minutes the market opens here. Yeah, I think it's gonna be I just think it's gonna be a slow, choppy day. And you know, it's kind of expected. I mean, you know, it's kind of expected because, like I said, I mean, it's Christmas Eve. I mean, who the fuck is messaging me right now? So US30. So again, I'm putting the signal out here for the group. Let them know where I'm looking to sell, followed by areas of take profit. We gotta clear some of these other past trades and stuff. Yesterday, NAS100 was like the main breadwinner. Like I wish I would have took that trade. So 48, 402, and then I would see 48, 30, 87. So we have our areas that we're looking here with US30 and NAS100. So NAS100, it's actually going really good for us right now. So take profit 1 is hit on NAS100, guys. So take profit is a NAS100 is already hit. We're already in NAS100 here. I'm going to delete my pending order on US30. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to focus on NAS100. I'm in 2 lots with this one. So NAS100 is already dropping nice here. Yeah. So NAS100 is already dropping nice. I am in NAS100 already here. So I did say I typically jump in, you know, 2 to 3 minutes beforehand. Not all the time, but you know, NAS100 started dropping, so it hit the signal entry alert. So I'm gonna shave a little bit of profit off of this one. I'm gonna do a partial close. I'm gonna do 0.25 lots. Close part 25, and then I'm gonna set the rest of like break even. Just because I don't know, it's kind of interesting with this. So record. So the market, if I get a jump back in, I'll slam it, but I am in NAS100 right now, so I gotta let the team know. NAS100. So the market's gonna open here in basically 15 seconds. Let's see what happens here. US30 selling off here. NAS100 working really nice. We're up 2 grand. All right, I take profit 1. I did pay myself a little bit. If I got off a break even, fuck it. NAS100 is pushing back up. God damn it, US30's fucking selling off. I'm out NAS100. I might jump in US30 here. Ah, dude, fuck. US30 just dumped. See, it was complete. Oh my god, it was complete backwards today. Son of a bitch. I might look to jump back in NAS100 here if we could have this sell off here. Okay, NAS100 just wicked us all out. I jumped back in NAS100 here. I'm gonna try and scalp this really fast. Okay, I am in NAS100 here. Let's see if I could try and. US30 was definitely the fucking breadwinner. And let's see if NAS100 could basically break this support level. We're gonna see this drop down here. Alright, here we go. NAS100. Come on, baby. See, look at this. US30 wicked everybody up, squeezed up. NAS100 coming down here. We're up 3 grand with NAS100. Choppy, choppy, choppy. We need NAS100. What's just a 1 minute chart with NAS100? Let's see, we want to see it basically crack. 5 minutes, go back to 15. US3 squeezing up, so we want to see NAS100 basically drop more here. I'm jumping out of it. I'm jumping out. Jumping back out of NAS100. It's very, very choppy. Very, very, very choppy. What am I up to today? Only 650 bucks. So very, very choppy. US30 faked everybody out, squeezed up. US30 basically hit all our take profits. So NAS100 starts to drop a little bit more here. I'll jump back in, but again, I still want to see it basically flush below these lows here. It's a very, very hard read. I'm now wide awake. Yeah, US30 dumped and then ripped up. So we should, like I said, more time comes in, we should start to see some more volume start fading here. Should see some more volume start to fade here. There we go. NAS100 have some red volume coming in here. US30 pop. Again, I'd like to see NAS100 basically break these lows right here of this like 25, 554 area. But we'll take what the market gives us. Love the live trading. Well, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. Like I said, I'm not going to stick around too long today. Not going to really focus on US30. I mean, kind of missed that wave. Let's see, NAS100 here. It's been my main watch. Let's weed this over a little bit. Still watch US30 here, but NAS100 is my main. US30 going down now. Yeah, US30 is basically pulling back. Again, you know, market open we had that like little thrust, but now we should start to see it like basically get weak here. Not really focusing on US30, mainly in NAS100, my main one I'm watching here. NAS100 basically trying to push back up here. Man, dude, US30, dude, look at that wick. Look at that. Look at the wick to the downside and then to the upside, and basically trying to close as a doji here. Yeah, they definitely toy with the market every morning. No two ways around that. Switch to the 1 minute chart here on NAS100. Pulling back here. NAS100. Again, let's see if we get this drop here to the downside. We want to see this come further down here, crack this area of 25,554 area. So we get this. As always, make sure you guys hit that like button. Likes support the channel, make me motivated. So, been not live for 40 minutes so far. Here we go, NAS100 basically pulling back. Let's see if we get this final fucking crack to the downside here. We did hit take profit 1, we almost hit our take profit 2. So, you know, I'd like to see us still hit take profit 2, perfect royal take profit 3 with NAS100. So, definitely always like try to aim for take profit 2. But again, we'll take what the market gives us. When you said small to mill, what's a small? I don't know, like somewhere like maybe $1,000, 1,000. I might just start with 5,000. So NAS100. Let's see NAS100. Let's see if we can get this one to keep dropping. Impact fractal of broadcast. There you go. NAS100. Come on, I want to see this one keep dropping down. I want to see this one basically just flush to these, flush towards these lows. I am in NAS100, guys. So I want to see NAS100 basically keep selling off here. I just like to see just the volume just come and just dump. Like we're just like, oh, they're just start panic selling. It's actually not unreal. If you know how to trade. I mean, if you got $5,000 to your name, you could easily come every day and trade a US30 NAS100 and make profit. Like easily, guaranteed, 100%. So it's not really unreal. I think what it boils down to is just people don't want to do this. They don't want to learn this. They don't like it's like I said, anybody can fucking do this. This shit personally is not hard. I'm gonna close half of my fucking NAS100. I'm just not feeling the market today. So I'm still in NAS100. I'm up like $2,400. Set my stop loss to stop loss profit. So if it pushes up here, it'll stop me out for profit. And then, like I said, it's gonna be a small day for me, so nothing too crazy with profits. NAS100 has been my main watch and one I've been taking trades on. US30 kind of missed the move on that one. Should have jumped in this one. Could have captured US30 for the sell-off with the market open, but whatever. So NAS100 again. I'm in this one. I'm up basically 3,800, 4,000. She's dropping here finally. Let's see if she can hit this basically 2550 area. Come on, flush. I'm gonna basically see a flush hit our take profit 2, and then our take profit 3. So yeah, like I said, you know, with trading, this shit's not hard. People just don't want to put in the work. It's exactly what it is. I don't care what anybody says. I've been around this long enough, seen it long enough. People don't want to put in the work. You know, people just, I don't want to get rich quick. So if you want to do that, I don't know. If you want to get rich quick, I don't know. There is no get rich quick in this world. So, I mean, play lottery. Yes, you do that. So, I've been in the game for a long time, but my brother's been in it longer than me. So, I'm actually gotta call that fool later on. So, right now I'm just floating 33 grand. I might just say fuck it and just close out. I still, like I said, I still want to see this basically drop below these lows. We're almost there, but yeah, only 39 viewers. A lot of low viewers today on the live, but expected that. I am about to get stopped out here with NAS100. Let's see, unless he pulls back here a little more. He's trying to stop me. He's pushing back up towards our entry. It's been a hard one all day. He said, oh, here we go. This little pullback here is helping me. NAS100, this little pullback. US30 still fucking running to the upside. NAS100. Come on. With US30 pushing up, we want see NAS100. I'm out. Stop me out. So far on the day, took in like 4 fucking trades with this thing. 1900. So I might just call it. Might just call it. US30's running, dude. So I didn't think US30 was gonna take off running today. Yeah, NAS100 basically just keeps testing my fucking. NAS100 keeps testing over and over again my It just keeps testing over and over again. This is my signal alert. So with the US30 running like this, NAS100 should be selling off here. There's no two ways around it. So oh, here we go. We're fucking yanking a NAS100. NAS100. If we start to see more selling pressure here, I'll jump in for a quick scalp. The fuck? Who's messaged me here? Because again, I still see us cracking here with NAS100. Mark as red. Do this. Go here. Live stream. NAS100. Come on. Gonna set my stop loss again. And I've jumped in NAS100. Gonna set a stop loss. It's a stop loss profit. Still, I'm still utilizing my same entry, my same signal entry. I'm still utilizing that. So, like, trade goes in my favor. I'm adjusting my stop loss to profit. So, and if it stops, see, it keeps, motherfucker, dude, it keeps stopping me out. All right, I think I'm officially done wrestling NAS100 here. US30 was the breadwinner at the market open. I wish I captured this. That was like a 50-point move. So so far on the day, basically 2600. So again, it's upsetting because I know this. I know NAS100 wants to. I know it wants to dump here. So I know it wants to fucking dump. It keeps toying with me. I know once it breaks this first take profit one of like 25,563, she should dump. See, with US30 running, again, NAS100 should be dumping nice here. Finally here, what's up, Smiley Play 5777? Here we go. Let's see NAS100. Let's see if we can finally break this area of 25,554 area. Again, we want to see basically crack this area right here. Right where my cursor is. We want to see a nice little flush below this. What's everyone doing for Christmas? Anyone doing anything? I'm supposedly just chilling and playing video games. Man, US30 fucking ran, dude. Unbelievable. Just give us this drop already here. Holy shit. Yeah, I don't do anything anymore on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. I used to. I just take it easy. So man, sometimes that's the best thing, just relax. You know, I don't need to go out and party and drink anymore and all that crazy shit. So this dude says he's got 2 winning trades watching me already. So I would, like I said, US30. Wish I caught this one right at the market open. Would have fucking done already. She's running now, but like I said, with US30 running like this, guys, with like US30 is basically running like over 100 points. NAS100 should be NAS100 should be dumping really, really nice here. It should be a really clean sell-off fade is what should be happening, but it's just not. So we've been wrestling this bitch all morning. Here we go. She's trying to yank right now. Come on. We do not want to see it hold support here. We don't want to see it like bounce. We want to see basically take off. Yeah, the US30 is up 100 points. Again, it's kind of frustrating. So yeah, US30 just it's a clean move. My God. Yeah, US3 is super clean. But there's absolutely no way I would have took a buy on US3 today. No fucking way. No fucking way. There is never really all the way up. I bet you there's people right now buying US3 chasing this. Again, NAS100 bounced off this area of 25,554. We've been watching all morning. It's been a stressful headache with this one. You should have traded US30. Looks pretty clean. I did put the signal out here to sell US3 at the market open, and she jumped all the way basically to her lows. So that was a win. But I wasn't in the sell with US3. I basically took NAS100. So. Also, hindsight 2020. Never want to be that guy. It's like, oh, shoulda, coulda, woulda. You know, it's easy to look at US30. It's easy to look at US30 now and be like, oh yeah, that's a clean trade. You should have took it. Well, yeah, of course it. Fucking no shit. Or no shit. If I knew this was gonna do this, yeah, I would have took the buy on this. You know. So. There's absolutely no way. Who the fuck is buying before Christmas? Who's buying at Christmas Eve before Christmas Day? The market's closed tomorrow, so. So. Again, I bet you there's people buying all the way at the very top right here. So. Someone said I didn't walk when I should have. NAS100 looking potentially like we might have, some lows coming in here. We're having lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high. So basically, potentially, but maybe, hopefully, finally get this sell-off fade here. This dump we've been waiting for all morning. Again, we'd love to see this one just flush down. We've been watching it all morning. So, said, it's gonna be a very slow day for me, very chilled. Looks like it came to your resistance. US30 still going up. I know, yeah, with US30 still kind of going up a little bit. Well, I don't know. She kind of peaked out at this. US30 kind of peaked out right here. So yeah, NAS100, man, just fucking fighting. So she could crack this area. Well, US30's pulling it back pretty nice here. I wouldn't be surprised if we get this full backside with US30. I wouldn't be surprised if we get this whole, like a US30 basically pull all the way back down. So what the hell? NAS100 still just kind of grinding, consolidating here. Thanks, Smiley. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it. Man, we just keep grinding every day, dude. What the fuck? This thing died out on me. Look at this US30. US30 pulling back nice here. See, I'm gonna be pissed off if US30 pulls back and then NAS100 starts running because that's some bullshit. It's like, wait a second, you should have did that the whole time. But could have maybe jumped in US30 here for a quick scalp to the downside, but you know, whatever. Is anything even open today? I'm thinking about going to McDonald's, get myself a fucking Big Mac for dinner. Oh my god, look at this US30 is bleeding now, dude. It's already down like 50 points. Huh. Holy shit. US30 is bleeding now. Just US30 had more volume. Look at that. It already dropped basically like 60 points in 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. For sure, dude. Thanks for tuning in. Just like I said, make sure you guys like this. Oh, this video only got 32 likes. This stream's got 32 likes. NAS100 dropping here. US30 trying to push up. See, this is why you wouldn't want to chase US30. Like if someone tried to sell it right here, you're kind of like panicking now, getting stopped out. So with NAS100, basically we have this peak, this peak, this peak, kind of this peak. Would like to see this now just kind of like flush down, but let's see what happens here. Again, it's in a bitch all morning. It's a highlighter tool. Well, that's a little bit easier, I guess. I guess the highlighter tool is a little bit easier than the fucking brush. The brush might be kind of a bitch. Yeah, I think the highlighter is a little bit better. I just need just a setting here. Let's see. It's a little too thick. It's still a little too thick. I can't go less than 8 fucking points. No, I guess I can't. Oh, whatever. Change that to color do I want to go with? Maybe green. I always like my pink, purple colors. Alright. Yeah, look at US30. US30 basically came down. Actually, I don't really like that either. It kind of blends it too much. Maybe just go green. I guess I'll go green. Yeah, well. But yeah, basically what I was saying is that came down and pushed back up now. And NAS100 basically still chilling with these areas. Still trying to see it come down. And as always, guys, don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. There's people that come every day and then they lose money and then they reach out to me, bitching, complaining. It's like I lost money. It's like, well, you know, but you can also make money. You know, people want to bitch when they lose money, but they never want to say anything when they win money. So like when they win money, they don't want to say anything. They don't want to give like compliments or shout outs or nothing like that. But it is what it is. I just laugh at everything now. US30 pushing back to the upside. NAS100 still just chilling here. Dude, we never even looked at gold. What is gold doing? Dude, gold had a crazy fucking sell-off here. Let me switch this back to US30 gold. Dude, gold had a crazy sell-off. I should have watched gold. Huh. Should have watched gold. Clearly that was a good setup. Go back to US30, what's it doing here? So just chilling here, watching NAS100. like I said, US30 was the breadwinner today from a volume standpoint, but even when this one dumps, if you didn't take profits good enough, it could have been shaked out. So NAS100 trying to push back to the upside here. Something we didn't want to see. $2026 is going to be an interesting year. So we'll see how things go. Everything in 2026. Personally, I'm kind of burnt out with a lot of shit. I really am. So I got like no gas in the tank with a lot of things. Especially people too, man. Dude, I got scammed in our own trading Discord. I got scammed. I'm like, what the fuck, dude? Like, are you kidding me? It's like, dude, you really lied like that heavily about God and just, dude, I don't know, man. This world is cooked. That's why I don't care how bad someone tells me their situation is. Like, I will never give it. At this point in my life, I'd rather burn the fucking money. I'd rather burn the money. I'd rather burn money than give it to anybody. Dude, I've seen and heard people come and say the craziest shit. And then it's like, alright, fine, I'll give you money. And then it was all a fucking lie. It's like, oh my god, like, so it is what it is, I guess. I don't know, man. And then people use the word God. They'll be like, oh, I swear to God, on God's honest life, God would, I wouldn't, you know, and like they're still lying. They're still, I've never seen anything like it before in my life. Never. So it is what it is, I guess. I ain't mad about it, just kind of disappointed in the world. So later, Keith. Thanks for tuning in, man. We still chilling here with NAS100. Hopefully, hoping we still get this final sell-off fade here, but the fuck? Well, I'm gonna jump off here. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a happy Merry Christmas, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.